In the last session, we have discussed about the types of the angles and the problems regarding the types of the angles. Now, in this session, we are going to discuss about the intersecting lines, parallel lines, and the perpendicular lines. What is the meaning of intersecting lines? So, here the first one, which is the intersecting lines. So here, what is the meaning of intersecting lines? If you take any two lines and the two lines will intersect at one point, that we call it as an intersecting lines. Let us consider here these two lines. I am taking here one line and I am taking here one more line. You can observe that here these two lines are intersecting at this point. So we can say that these lines are the, let us consider this line as L and this line as L. So we can say that here the lines L and M are the intersecting lines because these two lines are having the intersection point which is O. So these types of lines we call it as an intersecting lines. So what is the meaning of intersecting lines? If two lines are intersecting at one common point, such type of lines we can say that those lines are the intersecting lines. Now here let us see here the next one, which is the perpendicular lines. So what is the meaning of the perpendicular lines? Here also, if two lines intersect each other such that those two lines meet at 90 degrees, such type of angles we call it as a perpendicular lines. That means here, let us consider here these two lines. You can observe here these two lines are intersecting lines because here this line and this line are intersecting at one point. Right? We can say that these two lines are intersecting lines, and if the intersecting lines, here what the definition they have given here, if you see here in the textbook in page number 70, if two lines intersect each other at right angle, that means here you can observe that these two lines are intersecting at this point, and at this point what is the angle here, which is 90 degrees. So if that will happen, such type of lines we call it as an perpendicular lines. Let us suppose here consider here this line and let us consider here this line. You can observe that these two lines are intersecting at one point, and at that point what is the angle here? You can observe here at that point the angle is 90 degrees. So we can say that these two lines are perpendicular lines. How do you can define the perpendicular lines? If two lines intersect each other at right angle, such type of lines we call it as an perpendicular lines. And what is the meaning of intersecting lines? If two lines are intersecting at common point, that type of lines we call it as an intersecting lines. And what is the meaning of perpendicular lines? If you take any two lines, if these two lines are intersecting at one point, and at that point if the angle is 90 degrees, that type of lines we call it as an perpendicular lines. Now see the next type of lines, which is the parallel lines. So what is the next type of lines, which is the parallel lines? Parallel lines is nothing but how they have defined here. If two lines on a plane do not intersect each other at any point. That means here, if you take any two lines, if these two lines will not intersect at any point. Suppose if I am taking here these two lines are intersecting at a common point. This one we call it as an intersecting lines. Similarly, if you take here these two lines are intersecting at a common point, and here the angle is 90. You can observe that such type of lines we call it as a perpendicular lines. And if you take any two lines, if these two lines are not intersecting at any point, here you can observe that if I extend this line like this and if I extend this line like this, it will go on like that, right? But it will not never intersect at any point. These two lines never intersect at any point. Such type of lines we call it as an parallel lines. So what is the meaning of the parallel lines? If two lines will not intersect at any common point, such type of lines we call it as a parallel lines. Suppose again the example, if you see the railway tracks, it is an example of the parallel lines. So here if you take any two lines, if these two lines will not intersect at any point, such type of lines we call it as a parallel line. Suppose I am taking here two lines, here this one and this line. If these two lines are parallel lines, so to check that one, extend these lines. I am extending here this line and I am extending here this line. Here you can observe that these two lines are intersecting at one point. So we can say that these two lines are not parallel. So what is the meaning of intersecting lines? If two lines are intersecting at common point, such type of lines we call it as an intersecting line. And if two lines are intersecting at one point, and if the angle is 90 degrees, such type of lines we call it as perpendicular lines. And if two lines will not intersect each other, and if you extend these lines, such type of angles we call it as parallel lines. So this is about the intersecting lines, parallel lines and the perpendicular lines. Now based on this we are going to solve exercise 5.3. See the first question in exercise 5.3. Here, which of the following are models for parallel lines, perpendicular lines, or neither of them? Here, they have given some statements. Based on the statement, you need to check whether they are the parallel or perpendicular or neither. That means they are not parallel, not perpendicular. See the first one, the vertical window bars. So, you can observe that the vertical window bars are parallel lines because it will look like this. These are the vertical, right? These are the vertical lines, and if you extend these lines like this, it will not intersect at any point. So we can say that these are the parallel lines. The first one, you can write it as the vertical window bars are parallel lines. Now see the next one, railway tracks. So here, the first one, write it here. The first one, what they have given here, the vertical windows bars. What we call this part, we call it as an parallel lines. And similarly here, the second one, railway tracks. So here, the railway tracks, you know that again the railway tracks is parallel, it will not intersect at any point. So we can say that the railway tracks are also parallel. So write it here, the next one, which is the railway tracks. What they have given the second one. Railway tracks, which are nothing but they are the parallel. And similarly here, the adjacent edges of the door. You know that if you see the adjacent here, you can observe here, if you see the adjacent edges of the door, how it will look like? You will look like here one wall is in the shape of this one and the other wall will in the shape of this one. Here you can observe that these two lines are perpendicular because here the angle is 90 degrees. Here the angle is a right angle. So here the next one, what they have given here, the adjacent edges of the door, those are the perpendicular lines. Now here you can write that one, I am not writing, just I will explain. The third one, what they are saying here, the adjacent edges of the door. To write it here, the adjacent edges of the door are perpendicular lines. Now see the next one, the letter V in English alphabet. If you take here the V, what we can say? They are the parallel lines? No, because they are intersecting at one point. Is these lines are the perpendicular lines? Again no, because here the angle is not 90 degrees. So here you can state it here, this V is neither parallel nor perpendicular. So you can write it here, neither parallel nor perpendicular. Here the letter P is neither parallel nor perpendicular. Now the last one, the opposite edges of the blackboard. If you see here the opposite edges of the blackboard, you can observe that this is the blackboard. If you take here this edge, so what is the opposite edge? That one. You can observe that it will look like this. Here this is the one edge and this is the other edge. You can observe that these two lines are parallel because if you extend these lines like this, it will not intersect at any common point. So we can say that the opposite edges of the blackboard are parallel. Now here the second question, you can do it the homework. What the question given here, trace the copy of the set squares. You can observe here in your geometry the set squares will be there. You have to trace that one and you need to write it here what are the perpendicular edges on that one. Now see the third question. Here what is the third question given here? They have given here one rectangle and the name of the rectangle which is ABCD. This is A, B, C, D. And they said that AC and BD are the diagonals. So what is the meaning of the diagonal? If you join the opposite vertices, we will get a diagonal. So here I am joining this opposite vertices. What is the opposite vertex of A, which is C? If you join here, you will get one diagonal. And similarly, if you join the opposite vertices, you will get one more diagonal. And they have given here AC and BD are the diagonals of the rectangle. And now in this, you need to write what are the parallel lines and what are the perpendicular lines and what are the intersecting lines. Now write it here. First one, the parallel lines. You know that what is the meaning of parallel lines? If two lines will not intersect at any common point, that type of lines we call it as a parallel lines. And if you see here, the line DC and here the line AB, these are the parallel lines. Because here, if you extend this line like this and if you extend this line like this, it will not intersect each other. So we can say that in this figure, what are the parallel lines here? DC and AB are the parallel lines. So write it here. DC, AB are parallel. And similarly, you can observe here one more parallel lines are there here. What are those parallel lines here? Which is AD and which is BC. If you consider here these vertical lines which is AD and BC, this is AD and here this is BC. Clearly, these two lines are also parallel lines because here, if you extend these lines like this, it will not intersect at any common point. So, what is the next pair? Which is AD and the next one BC. These are the parallel lines. So, here in the given rectangle, what are the parallel lines here? ABCD and AD and BC. Now, write about the perpendicular lines. What are the perpendicular lines? If you take any two lines, if these two lines are intersecting at one common point and that point, if the angle is 90 degrees, such type of lines we call it as perpendicular lines. Now, if you see here in this rectangle, what are the perpendicular lines you can observe here? You can what is that one? CD